Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what ADA is doing today. This is one of those that I wish I would have bought more. Just like I always say, the only problem you're going to have is you didn't buy enough. Just like the Wolf on Wall Street. This was one of them, but I was concerned, that we were in just this cluster right here. But it's alright. I mean, we're making some money. If you guys piggyback me and you guys are making money too, so which is good. Oh, by the way, let's just get it out of the way. If you guys like the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize the like button, because the only way I'm going to reach out to 7 billion people is by ranking up, and that way I'm going to teach 7 billion people how to make money in crypto markets, because I get sick and tired of the banks making the money for us and ripping me off, it seems like. So that being said, let's just look at this. So looking at the fibs, boom, just do. If you did not get long here, I wouldn't try just yet. I want to see a bigger pullback. Now, the only concern I see here is if you didn't get long, this is a hard one, because if you guys watch my Ethereum Bitcoin video, which is the most important video I make, if any of you guys are trading alt, if that's going to continue pushing higher, nothing is going to stop this. So this is going to be, one of those that rallies hard and it's probably going to fall right back out. So let's just not get too greedy, but let's just change the fibs from here to here. So if you go from this swing high to this low, the good thing is we're holding somewhat above the 61% retracement. Now, in this case, I would definitely want to see, a pullback to the 50% retracement before I would do anything. But if Ethereum Bitcoin goes higher, we're probably just going to blast through the 61% retracement today. I mean, alts are currently rallying, so we just have to wait and see. If you didn't get on this, then I would wait until we get a nicer pullback, because you might get burned. And the last thing that we want is burn the money that we don't have too much of. So that's the way I look at it. I've been doing this for 10 years, so I mean, I've been in the markets for 10 years. I've been in the crypto market for the last 3 or so. So we just have to keep that in mind. And now let's just say hypothetically we blast through the 78% retracement. This is a nice fib right here that will probably encounter a lot of resistance, the 23% retracement. But what I like about this is, if you look at the bigger picture, this looks, somewhat like a double bottom, kind of like a screwy double bottom, somewhat of a bottom here, or you can just look at this bottom. So if we were just to look at this right here, your target will be about 12 or so cents. If we look at this one from here, then your target is going to be a lot higher, so your target will be about 22. Now, before we get all excited how much money we are going to make, the price action needs to tell us that we're going to make that money. Because the problem with newbies is they get all excited on how much money they're going to make. They don't think how much money they're going to lose. They'll say, hey, I have FOMO, so I have the fear of missing out. So they'll get on here. This will pull back and then keeps pulling back. And now the difference between this and, like, for example, the Forex market is, they won't, you actually own the coin, but in the currency market, you eventually will get a margin call. Of course, unless you're using margin on crypto, and then I wouldn't use margin. I'm scared. I mean, I'm sure I can make tons of money, but crypto and margin, I don't know. I'm too scared for that one yet. I guess I'm not to that level yet. I don't feel confident enough on that one. But they would think how much money they're going to make, and then eventually they will lose all the money. So we just have to wait and see. But this could turn into a potential, excuse me, about 18-cent level, in the near future, as long as everything plays out. So if you miss this rally, then I would wait for a pullback, because RSI now is starting to get, way overbought. Now that doesn't mean that it won't continue going higher. Like, there's a couple that I look at the charts today, and they're like way overbought, but still, I don't like to push it. I don't like to push my luck because I don't have unlimited amounts of money. So if you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize the like button. Thanks again, guys.